What'd you say this bridge is called?
Devil's Elbow Bridge.
Devil's Elbow Bridge. So we're going to go across it here. Part of old Route 66. Looks safe enough. I think this is the Big Piney River. Really nice. Really pretty river.
Well, can we or?
In 600 feet,
Yeah, I think you
turn
can.
left onto Tidal Road.
Oh, that's really pretty.
That is very pretty.
Oh, look at the cliffs up there. Morning.
Morning.
Turn left onto Tidal Road, then turn right.
Is it gonna make us do a loop-de-loop here?
I don't know. Oh, look at that old fire engine. That's really cool.
Oh wow. Well, let's go in and get a picture of it.
Yeah.
The Mother Road.
Continue on Teardrop Road
I wanna
for
get
1.5
pictures of that.
miles.
Oh.
Welcome to Devil's Elbow.
Missouri State Department of Correction, Moberly. That was a prison fire engine. It's pretty cool.
3 miles.
We are actually on old Route 66 right now. This is the original Route 66 highway. As you can see, it is completely deserted and has not been maintained well at all. There's the Big Piney River again.
Okay, over here.
Oh, wow. Yeah. I couldn't really see it. But yeah, this right here is the current condition of the original Route 66.
2.4 miles to Uranus.
But yeah, basically the only traffic that this road gets, other than a few tourists, is the people who still live out here. The freeway and the frontage roads have, they robbed the traffic pretty much.
Look at the way those trees hang. It's
Yeah,
like
I've seen
Tafiti on Moana.
But
Oh
yeah,
my God.
when they built the freeway and the frontage roads, it robbed all the traffic of this area of Route 66. And same with a lot of other areas too, and eventually resulted in the death of the highway as a whole. That's like the second car we've seen as long as we've been out here. I mean, we're just stopped in the road right now because there is literally nobody around.
Because we can.
Yeah. I mean, I could get out and lay down in the road right now and I wouldn't get hit. There is no one out here. But that's Route 66 today.
Yeah, we've been actually doing a lot of interstate driving.
Yeah. Instead of actually getting on the old Route 66.
Yeah, and I mean, I kind of prefer it because it is faster and it's better for gas and stuff. But there's going to be at some points where we will be on Route 66 like now, where you know, we just can't avoid it because of the place we're going to.
Well, I don't want to avoid it either. I want to get a feel for what it was like originally. And this is it right here. This was the Great Highway.
Well, this ain't even what it was like because they were, when it was 66, before all the kitschiness and stuff, it was all brick.
Really? It was originally a brick highway.
Yeah. Or at least parts of it was, which we'll learn more about that when we start hitting up all the museums.
But yeah, this is it right here. The road, the myth, the legend, Route 66. Well, we're in Uranus. Yeah. And the whole place is one big butt joke. It is literally the butt of its own joke. Let's look around. Oh, we got a nice cool double-decker bus here. Genuinely British too. It's right-hand drive. Sorry about that. Check out this old fire engine over here. Uranus Fire Department. Oh, this is a Ward LaFrance. Okay. For some reason, I thought it was a Kenworth. Couple of pictures there. That's pretty cool. Alright, well, let's go look around some more. So this is basically our trip here. We started in Casey, Illinois, went through St. Louis. We're in Uranus. We're going to go through Oklahoma City, Amarillo, Vega, Tucumcari, and we might go as far as Santa Fe this trip. We haven't decided yet. But either one, that's where it's going to end. Then we're going to go back to Amarillo, fly home from there. And at a future date, hopefully, we'll finish Santa Fe, Flagstaff, Barstow to LA. But that's a trip for another time. I told you, one big joke. Shouldn't that be orifice? Hi, Johnson. Aw, soft kitty. Very soft kitty. You like to be petted? This is Johnson. Oh, yeah, good kitty cat. Hello. Hello there. Good kitty. Yeah, that's one of the resident cats here. And in case you wanted to know the information behind him, well, for one, that's his house. And this is him. That's Johnson. He lives in Uranus. Johnson loves to be stroked and petted. Everyone loves Johnson in Uranus. Yeah. I thoroughly checked it out. Tom Cruise was not in there. So despite what South Park would have you believe, Tom Cruise is in fact not a fudge packer.
I'm still suing you all! Nobody calls me a fudge packer!
Well, unfortunately, the gun and archery store was closed. So I'm just taking a break out in front of the closed store, enjoying their rocking chair. So that's it from Uranus. Not sure where we're headed to next, but I'll let you know. Okay, we found the world's largest gift store. Let's see if it lives up to its reputation. It's pretty big. Well, I finished in the world's largest gift shop. A lot of flea market type stuff, but had a few good things. Did find a Christmas present for my aunt, and it will fit in my carry-on. So that's awesome. Well, now on to, let's see, now we gotta get some gas over here at Phillips 66 Candy Factory, whatever that is. Then we're gonna go to Del Taco for some lunch. See you in a bit. Alright, so we stopped for lunch at Tacos El Gordo. here in Springfield, Missouri. It's a real authentic Mexican place. I just got something simple. I got a steak quesadilla here. It's pretty good too. So I'll show you some video I took on the inside while I was waiting. But it's a nice place. The whole menu's in Spanish though, so kind of have to know what you're doing before you go in there. So I'm going to have my lunch here and we're going to get back on the road.
Is it the brisket or what is it?
The brisket,
Yeah, the brisket.
brisket.
Yeah. Give me 4 tacos and then maybe 4 shredded chicken.
Okay, so we're just driving through Springfield randomly and we found this. I'm not sure what's going on here, but they blocked off the street for it.
Things you find in Missouri. Why would they block the street?
Well, obviously, so somebody doesn't hit her. The question is, why is she doing that in the middle of the street?
Oh, I'm sorry. I have the wrong number.
Alright, we have a few stops I didn't film because it wasn't anything real big. But now we're at a Sinclair gas station outside Springfield, Missouri. And it's pretty interesting. Got a lot of cool stuff here. So yeah, I'm going to walk around here for a bit and see what they got. See what's inside the garage here. My former employer. A lot of old Coca-Cola stuff. Oh, a phone booth. Now it still works. Nothing. Nope, nothing. Oh well. Boy, I've had days like that. Well, it still works. Yeah, let's go look at some other stuff. I like that old truck. Yeah, those were the days. I'd go for a cold one. Yeah, all out, of course. Just my luck. Like they got something over here. Alright, well, I think I'm gonna head back to the car. My back's starting to hurt me, so I'll catch y'all at the next stop.